Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to set and change storage path of Safari downloads in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down in last and click on apps. And now find here Safari and open it, and now scroll down and here you can see the option downloads. Simply click on downloads, and if you want to set and change storage path of Safari downloads, then here you can change your storage path. Here you can select iCloud Drive and on my phone, and here you can select others. And if you can select iCloud Drive, your Safari downloads will be automatically stored in iCloud Drive. So this is the way to change storage path of Safari downloads in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.